The rope maker in Hawes is one of the last in the country, one of only 4 still making the flax ropes necessary for church bells. Despite the finesse of some nimble machinery, the ropes are still essentially made by hand. And that goes too for the candy-coloured Sallies, the bell ringers' woolen grips. There was a time when most big villages had their rope makers, along with blacksmiths and wheelwrights. But this isn't just another quaint twist of nostalgia. One recent order was for 11,000 police whistle lanyards. They went to Japan.